Artificial intelligence is going to change everything. It'll have a bigger impact on us than the internet, than phones, mobile computing or mobile networking, wide area networking. It's just going to dwarf everything, and it's harder to learn, so it's harder to implement, which means it's going to change a lot of things and not everybody's going to be able to adapt. And so it's going to be really scary, but also interesting, and create a lot of opportunities as we go forward. We're still in the first inning of the preseason games when it comes to AI, but it's going to have a dramatic impact.
Future is very different than the past. As an entrepreneur, I started spending a lot of time on it, and I spent the last 3 months developing products for it to help business owners transition. I cannot dismiss the change. It requires immediate attention. That's why I read about applications, read about use cases, machine learning models, and neural networks. Learning about it gives me the advantage to apply it in my business. The only way to